Welcome to
Sunset
HCKT
on Pine
TV.
Mountain.
I hope you enjoy this channel. I hope you enjoy the content that this channel brings. We do city council meetings. We do a lot of medicinal roots, Cherokee medicine type stuff on this channel. And we also show a lot of the beautiful areas of Harlan County. So if you're from Harlan County, or maybe you visited, or maybe you like the mountains, like the Smoky Mountains, and never have heard of Harlan, you should come ride our ATV trails and give us a chance here. I know you'll enjoy it. So come on, pack your bags, and ride with us here in Harlan. I know you'll enjoy it. And thank you all for watching. Enjoy the show.
I love it. What's going on, everybody? We are riding down 38. I got my trusty sidekick 5 miles with me. We're gonna go check on the Clover Fork. We've had 5 inches of rain fall in Harlan County since Tuesday. That's right, 5 inches of rain. Now here's the kicker. The news is reporting that Harlan County can get 4 inches of rain from midnight to 12 p.m. tomorrow. A 12-hour period, 4 inches of rain. I don't think this county has seen that much rain since the last major flooding event. This is a big hurricane that's just now hitting Florida. It's a Category 4. I know I'm 3 states away, you know, Georgia, Tennessee, then you got Kentucky. So the 3rd state's me. But they're saying that we should have 70 mile an hour winds roll in tonight. So you know a lot of these trees are going to be down. These mountains are saturated. The water that's running out of these hollows is ridiculous. Even the dry springs that hardly don't get any water are flowing like a little small river. So let's get out here in a little bit. I'm gonna get on down towards Harlan and let's see what's going on, see how much rain has affected the area so far. As of right now, the schools in the county, the Harlan County schools are closed. I'm not sure about Harlan Independent. They go when there's 8 inches of snow, or they did when I was a kid. They go, because they're just as little inside the city of Harlan school. They don't have to cross the mountains and all that. But the county schools are closed tomorrow. So we'll get on down here and see what the Clover Fork and all that looks like. Maybe check out the tunnels. Check out Coxton's little face that we use for flood gauging. And let's just see what's going on. Okay, this is the tunnel that we walked through that day. We walked through this one in the summertime. Let's go see what the other ones look like. Got little trees growing on them. Okay, this is the second one. Still see a little of the island there. The water is rushing through really good. I'm assuming you all can still see this. I do not know. I'm hoping you can, because this camera is a little screwed up. I can't really see what I'm filming, but once you put it on YouTube, it's perfect. So, I mean, so I guess you all can see, this is the next tunnel over, the 3rd one. It's getting quite a bit. And this one here gets the most. And you can actually see it's went down some in this one. So you can see down there on that wall, that water line going through that tunnel where it's went down some. So ain't no land to be seen here. Let's cross the road and look at the Clover Fork itself. Somebody's thrown their trash out, not very nice. There's the levee. You can see how that levee divides that Clover Fork out. That is the Clover Fork of the Cumberland River right there. We got a light down there. I don't know whose light that is. Somebody's down there checking the river. Everybody's kind of on high alert that understands what's going on. 'Cause I look for mountain slides, I look for power outages, I look for trees to be down, especially along Highway 38. Hello down there with your light. How you doing? I bet he's got some pot plants down there. Is your weed all right? Is them pot plants good? He's coming back to the bank. Them plants are safe for now. I like messing with people. He's looking around everywhere. I got a big orange. If his light hits me, it'll reflect. They're doing something down there. Ain't none of my business. Well, I'm gonna head on towards Harlan Town and see what's going on down that way, guys. It's not raining too bad at the moment, but we're expecting some heavy downpours here in a little bit. Well, we're in downtown Harlan. The rain is slacked up. I done a live video walking around town if any of y'all want to go check it out and watch it. The hurricane is supposed to hit right around midnight tonight, and it's supposed to drop 5 inches of rain within a 12-hour period. Now, we've had 4 inches of rain since Tuesday fall in Harlan County, so we really can't handle a lot of water. They're expecting power outages from trees falling, localized flooding, and power outages. So, guys, if you live in Tennessee, Georgia, Southeast Kentucky, Virginia, get ready. Get ready for this storm. It's coming. And it's going to be a big one, guys. So, I'm going to get a little gas and we'll go right around. Something is going on somewhere because they have been 3 or 4 fire trucks dispatched up South 421. Don't know why, but they have been dispatched. We'll assume a fire, but they do work car wrecks and stuff like that. This is the flood wall here that protects the city from flooding. Here's where they'll close it. These big steel doors right here is what they close to keep the water out of town. And yeah, they do maintenance on them and shut them and all that.